Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute white Christmas trees. So let's get started. Okay, to make these Christmas trees, I already made my cone, and you can do that using the following method. And on the outside of this cone, I'm going to use these cotton pads, and they're used for makeup remover. And I got this bag at the dollar store for $1, and there was 100 in here, so that's enough to make a lot of Christmas trees. And if you're making a 4-foot tree, then you would just use these round like that, and you'd fold them like that, so you would have large pieces. But I'm making a small tree, so I'm going to make these smaller pieces. And to do that, I just cut my pads in half, and to cut the pads in half, just fold it in half, and then cut it. Place it on a stack, and then just cut all of those out at the same time. I'm going to take one half, and I'm going to fold it like this. Just overlap that a little bit. And I'm going to put a little dab of glue under and a little dab of glue right there, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a bunch of these, and then if I need more, I'll make more later. So I'm just going to go like that. And if you keep a little container of water, you can touch hot glue and not burn yourself. So I'm going to start with my cone, and along the bottom I'm going to put a row of hot glue, and I'll start placing these down in my hot glue. And I'll start the next row, and I'm going to alternate. So you see this one is between these two. Okay, I finished that row, and now I'm going to start my next row. And again, I'm going to alternate it between these two. Okay, I have my tree completely covered, and I bought these at the dollar store, and they're stick-on pearls and rhinestones. And I'm going to place one pearl in each one of these little loops, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there you go, there's my finished tree. So I hope you'll enjoy making some of these cute little trees. And don't forget to send pictures in for me to post in the viewer submissions video. If you like this video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.